The provided trigger, named Scenario 30, restricts the insertion, updating, and deletion of account records associated with a specific user account. The user account is identified by the username navinsk98@gmail.com. The trigger logic consists of the following steps. It retrieves the user record user corresponding to the specified username using a SOQL query. It checks if the current user executing the trigger is the same as the user identified in the user record fetched in step 1. If the current user matches the specified user. For before delete trigger events, trigger.isDelete, it iterates over the old records, trigger.old, and adds an error message indicating that the records cannot be deleted. For before update trigger events, trigger.isUpdate, it iterates over the new records, trigger.new, and adds an error message indicating that the records cannot be updated. For before insert trigger events, trigger.isInsert, it iterates over the new records, trigger.new, and adds an error message indicating that the records cannot be inserted. This trigger ensures that any attempt to perform these DML operations on account records associated with the specified user account is prevented, and appropriate error messages are displayed to the user.